all those husbands watching this, and if you're not, then ladies, maybe you should just, in a very subtle way, put this video on and put it very loud so they can hear it, so you can like focus on the one that you want. I'm back with another educational beauty video, and this time I'm going to be trying on new makeup, and then after that I'm going to be showing you my Sephora gift guide. So stay tuned because it's perfect for this festive season. Now if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'm over on Instagram, so please do come say hi there too. Now we can head straight into the video. We're going to be trying a few new makeup products, and then I'm going to be going through my Sephora gift guide with you. These are products that I've picked out that I personally think are great as gifts for anyone, whether you want something affordable, whether you want something small. Some people don't necessarily always think of just whether it's affordable, that, you know, they're looking at size as well. So we're going to go through all of that after, but let's start with some of these new products that I've come across. Some of them I'm going to be trying for the first time, and a couple of them I have already tried and I absolutely love them, and I really wanted to share it with you. Now I don't have anything on my face other than my skincare, so we're already prepped and set for makeup. First, I'm going to try the YSL All Hours foundation. It's a luminous matte foundation, and honestly, when I receive products from PR brands, I kind of, especially when it's foundation, I'm kind of like, okay, how did they know my skin shade, you know? And very rarely is it ever right, and this was right. I was really surprised. I only swatched it, I haven't actually tried this properly. You know that I usually put concealer first and then I go in with my foundation. Today, because I'm testing this for you guys, I'm not going to be putting my concealer first, because I feel like what happens when you're testing foundations, I can't show you exactly how that foundation looks like without anything else on, because I always go in with concealer first. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you this first, and then we'll go in with concealer and kind of like underpaint in a different kind of technique. But let's go forward and kind of apply this. Now my shade is MW9, and is that the shade? Yeah, that is the shade. Okay, so this is actually SPF 39. So I like the fact that there is SPF in here. It's an all day long wear, full cover, breathable, texture couture finish. So let's see what this is like. I mean, I'm applying this with a brush because I really want you guys to see, you know, the difference. So I'll apply it on this side and I'll leave this side kind of bare. I mean, the color, I can't believe the color is like an exact match, because I don't have a tan at the moment, and for quite a while I had a really stunning tan, but it's kind of like gone now. And when I don't have the tan, I always feel like it's difficult to find the right color for my skin, and I'm really surprised that they sent me this and they've just got it perfect. Like, this literally is just gone, it's just matched my neck straight away. So color wise, I'm really impressed. It blends in really easily, and I know a lot of that might have to do with the fact that the color is, you know, perfect match. It's quite a fluid foundation, so it's not something which is thick. It kind of like melts into the skin really nicely. Right, what are you thinking, guys? Because I have it on this whole side here. I personally feel like it matches my skin tone perfectly. It's kind of like evened everything out. I feel like it's given me a decent amount of coverage around the eye area as well, considering I'm quite dark around that area. It's not like a super matte finish. So like I said, it says it's a luminous matte, so it does have that slight luminosity coming through, which isn't overly shiny, and I like that because I don't like it when it's too glowy. So I like that, and I'm quite intrigued because it obviously says all day. Now what I will do is, because I didn't plan this for this video to be a kind of like wear test, I haven't done that in a while, but I will do that soon on a few more products, maybe even this one. So let me know in the comments below if you really want to see a wear test on this foundation. After trying it out, I will be sure when this video releases to put a little comment and like pin it so that you guys can see what the result was like how I found the foundation. Yeah, I do really like it. I mean, I think that it matches perfectly. I don't see an obvious line there, but I do see that this is more flawless than this side. So hopefully that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and just put it onto the rest of the face. So now it's on all of my face, and yeah, I really like it. I need to like leave this on all day, but I'm really glad there's SPF in here, because I feel like every foundation should kind of include that now. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my concealer and kind of like do my brows, so we're ready for the next product that I want to try. I'm back. I've put all my little bits on that I needed to put on. Now, the first one that I'm going to be trying is the Fenty Beauty Ice Cold Hearted Gloss. I have tried this on and I actually really liked it. It's just a clear gloss. It has like a slight blue tinge to it, but it doesn't look like that on. But the reason I like this is because I feel like you've got all those other ones which are quite heated, you know, like, so like they heat up and they feel like, oh wow, your lips are getting hot. This is like cooling. It's quite a basic product, but I feel like it's nice to just have something that's opposite. And personally, I don't know about you guys, but whenever I'm going through my kit, say if I would need to like make sure that I take something specific on a job, the one thing that I can't seem to find, which is the most basic product, is a clear gloss. I know that this is something that if I'm struggling with that sometimes, then I know that this is something that other people may struggle with. So I'm just kind of like getting my lip brush and just kind of like smoothing it over. That's the gloss on, so you can see how it gives you this really nice gloss, but there's no color to it. The reason I wanted to show you this, even though it is a basic product, is because I wanted to kind of show you that you don't have to just like, don't feel that glosses are boring, like clear glosses are boring, because they're really not. What I love about clear glosses is that you can kind of change the finish of it depending on the lip liner that you use. So I lined my lips with my Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude lip pencil, and then I've gone in with this, and it gives a really nice color. And honestly, I have a lot of people, when I do use this technique with different lip pencils, I have a lot of people say to me like, what is that lip color you're wearing? And it's like, there's no lip color. It's literally a clear gloss, and it's the lip pencil that's actually kind of like giving that color, like that color's coming through from. So I really wanted to show you that, because sometimes I have some of you guys say to me, what is that lip color you're wearing? You know, when I haven't actually shown what I've put on. And a lot of the time when it looks like more of a fleshy tone, this is usually what I do. So that's why I really wanted to kind of share that with you. It's a new product, and personally I think it's great because I don't always like that like hot feeling on my lips, so I want something a bit more cooling, and I really like the fact that this does that. Next up, my new product that I'm trying. Well, actually I don't know if this actually is a new product, but I tried it the other day and I loved it. This is the Milk Makeup Rise Mascara. I've got like a little mini version because it came in a little like pack, but I'm gonna put this on because I really want you guys to see like what it looks like on. The brush is a little bit curved, by the way, just so you know. I really loved this mascara because I felt like I didn't have to keep putting as many layers on as I usually would do to get this type of finish. Make sure I go right from the root and just like pull it through the lash, and that's literally it. And then I put a little bit at the bottom. I think what I really like about this mascara is that your lashes still look like lashes. They don't look like perfectly spread out. So it still looks like it's just a little bit of that kind of like messy lash, which I personally love. This is the Fenty Beauty Double Cheeked Up Freestyle Cream Blush Duo, and it's in Peony Dropper and Marley Booze. Now, I really liked this, and the reason being is because it blends perfectly. I recently put a reel up on my Instagram, and I think it might be up on my shorts, maybe not yet actually. The first time I tried it was when I actually did the reel. And I was doing it and I was like looking in the camera and I was like, oh my God, like I can't believe how amazingly this blends in, and just so easy. So on my face here, like I've set my under eyes. I haven't set anywhere else on my face other than my under eyes and my nose and a little bit on the forehead. So I wouldn't put cream on top of when you've like baked, right? Or like thick milled powder. So I haven't got anything over my foundation here. Now what I'm gonna do is just grab hold of some of this with my finger. There's two shades here. So you've got like obviously the lighter pink and then the darker pink. I actually quite liked mixing them together, but what I do is I go in with the lighter pink. So you can see that's like quite pigmented, right? And then what I do is I go in with that darker one just underneath, right? So that's that. Now what I'm gonna do is with my finger, I'm literally just gonna like blend this in, and I'm not rubbing, pressing and then flicking my finger out. And it just, the pigment was like I loved the pigment, and I loved how it didn't ruin my foundation when I first put it on. And obviously let's just hope it doesn't do that now because that would be awful. Yeah, it's not doing it. So it's blended in perfectly and it hasn't ruined my foundation, and it's just given me this really nice kind of like color. Like you can see there's nothing, and then here we've got that really nice kind of lift and like blush color, and it's not over the top either. So I'm just going to do the same thing here. So the way I do it is I press flick, press flick, and I do that really fast. And that basically is the best way to blend rather than going back and forth. So you're not like kind of like removing any foundation. I just love this blush because I feel like it's natural, it's super easy to blend, and it doesn't ruin your foundation. That's the big thing for me anyway. I feel like a lot of like cream blushes end up ruining your foundation. Moving on to our gift guide. Now I'm not going to be doing this in any particular order. I'm just going to go straight in and just whatever comes to hand show you. Now first off, we're going to start with these benefit little goodies. Now I really love these because I love the fact they're so festive and they're really cute, and you can actually use the box, the tin. First off, we've got this, which is the Benefit Letters to Lashes. It's like, you can hear that, it's like a tin, and it opens up and it has 3 different mascaras in here. So if I take that sleeve off, you have this, and it's like a little postcard. It's like a old school letter, and it says happy holidays. And let me just open this up. So it opens up like this, and then it's all wrapped up in that really nice kind of like paper. I can't remember what that paper's called. It's got some stickers in here, so it's really festive. And then you open it up and you've got your like little mascaras in here. So if you open this up like that, it opens up and you have your 3 different mascaras. Now I really loved this. There's 3 different full-size mascaras in here. So it has the Benefit They're Real Magnet Lashes, the Bad Girl Bang Lashes, and the Roller Lash. So I think this is a really good gift. Like, you know, I find like it's really difficult to find the right gift for people. So especially if you're looking for makeup for someone, you don't know what kind of makeup they like. You know, most people wear mascara. Now this other one is another little tin. It's Benefit Merry Mini Mail. So it has little mini versions of the product. So it's got the Professional Primer, the Bad Girl Mascara, and also the 24-hour Brow Setter. So this is a really cute little tin. And like I said, you can reuse these tins. Once they're empty, whoever it is can use them to maybe put their mascaras in or any kind of makeup. Next up, we've got Glow Recipe. So again, all of these products are available in Sephora. So this is the Glow Recipe Hey You, You're a Bright Light. There's a full-size Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. There's a smaller version of the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. And then also a smaller version of the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. So you've got one full-size product and you've got 2 smaller smaller products in there. So I feel like this is a really good size gift as well. Like, you know, it's not too much. It's just like, if you know someone generally has good skin, maybe give this to them because maybe it's something they'd want to try. You know, I think that's another good one. I'm going to go through these pretty quick because I don't want, like, you know, I don't need to sell you the products. I just want to show you the actual kind of gifts that you could get. Because I always feel like if you go shopping for someone or it's a gift, then you see something and you're like, okay, I really want them to try maybe, I don't know, like the Glow Recipe Dark Spot Vitamin C Serum. But if you pick that on its own, it's kind of like just one little thing you're giving them, even though you've maybe spent like however much on it, it's like one thing, you know, like, so you need to like make it look like a bit of a gift. And I feel like these are perfect. So this is the Wishful Glow Trio. So this basically has, I think it's not full size, you know, they're all like little mini versions, but I think it's really good. It's a really good kind of travel set. And it has the Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub, it's got the Thirst Trap Juice, and it's got the Honey Whip Peptide Moisturizer. So that's another really good one. And what else do we have? We've got, this is really nice as well. So this is the, how do you say this? Sol Janeiro? Yeah, let's just go with that. It's the Boom Boom Summer Jet Set Pack, and it has the Brazilian Crush Hair and Body Fragrance Mist, the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Body Cream Shower Gel, and the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, which I love. That is amazing. And these are like little mini versions because I have the full size one and it's much bigger than that. But this is still a good, like a decent amount, and I feel like this is a really cool little summer set. I like this. It's a body gift set. Now next up we have a Sephora little kind of skin set, and I like this because I feel like these, like the cases that they're in, most of them you can like reuse it. Like that's like a nice little plastic set which you can easily reuse that bag. I love like keeping bags like these. They're so like good for traveling. Now this one is basically a skincare set, so you've got all of the like Sephora, Sephora kind of must-haves really for skin. I think this is really good. So hold on, let me see. Yeah, that's so cool. So it has the Sephora Super Serum in here, which I've tried and that's great. We also have the All Day Hydrator, which is like a tube. And then you also have a little roller. It's an actual roller, you know, like a skin roller in there, you know, like the ones that you, like a jade roller, it's like that. And you have the brightening eye cream, you've got the Ultra Glow toner, and then you've got a clean gel kind of like toner cleanser. So yeah, I feel like you've got everything in here which is like good for skin. So anyone, it's a full travel set, so travel bag as well. That's a really good option. Then we've got a little mini set. I love the little cute little ones because they're really cute and they're good like kind of stocking fillers too. So this is like a Huda Beauty Legit Eye Duo. This is great. You've got the Legit Lashes mascara in here, which is double-ended anyway. And then you've also got the Lifeliner, which is an amazing ultra thin eyeliner. So that's a good shout. Next up, we've got some amazing little, well, they're not little, but I do love them. So we've got Briogeo, which is great for hair. So you've got Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. And then you've also got a Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Now, this product is actually it's an award winner for the Allure Beauty Awards 2019. So you've got full-size products in here. This is awesome. I would love to receive this. So if someone gave me this, I would personally love it. Yeah, it's great. So it's definitely cheaper than getting them separately. So we've got that. That's great. Then we've got, I'm going to go through a fragrance as well. So this is the Narciso Rodriguez perfume. Absolutely love it. I have the black one and the pink one already. It's amazing. The black one is the more intense version. So it opens up and you have this. You have your full-size Narciso Rodriguez. Amazing perfume. You've got the body lotion and then you've got like a little mini version. So this is the Eau de Parfum. I said that really weird. Eau de Parfum. Eau de Parfum. I can't say it nicely. And that's like a little small version. Next up we have the, I'm gonna put it up on the screen. I actually don't know the correct way to pronounce this, but I do already use these products and I absolutely love them. Not all of them, I've only tried one of them, so I'm really excited about trying the others. But I love that you can get this. This is a limited edition honey infused hydration set. I love that you can kind of like get this in a whole pack. Like I like that you don't have to you can't get gift sets which are just for makeup or skincare or fragrance, which are the obvious ones. Like now you can go for a hair care like set, like the Briogeo one that I showed you. I think this is a really nice gift for someone. Like you've got the honey infused hair oil, which is what I've tried before. It's great. You've got the honey infused hair mask, the honey infused leave-in conditioner, and then the honey infused hair perfume. Absolutely love it. Now, lastly, we have a really nice YSL set here, which is a fragrance set. And this is another perfume, by the way, guys, that I have recently tried and I absolutely love it. If you haven't smelled this, you need to go and smell it. It smells amazing. This is the Libra perfume. So this is the Eau de Parfum, and this is the perfumed body balm, and then you've got a little mini version of it. So I love this. It's such a nice gift. If you want to, you know, spend a little bit more on someone special, then, you know, for all those husbands watching this, and if you're not, then ladies, maybe you should just, in a very subtle way, put this video on and put it very loud so they can hear it, so you can like focus on the one that you want. And yeah, that's really my gift guide. Like I really do. Oh, I've got one more. This is cute, right? I love this. We've got this kind of like got lost in here because it's so small. But you know, if like as a stocking filler, or if you really want to like give someone a gift for their birthday, maybe you don't know them well enough yet, but you want to give them something, you know, because it's like awkward not to, then maybe you could get them something like this. Like it's really nice. It's a Rare Beauty Kind Words mini matte lip duo. So you have a mini lipstick in here and a mini lip liner. And so if I just open this up, I just want to see how big this is. Yeah, so you've got like, it's a mini lipstick and a mini lip pencil, but it's really cute. Like, I think this is a great gift for someone. It's so nice. So yeah, that's that. That was literally my last one. So that's my Sephora gift guide. Now, I really wanted to show you this because I know how difficult it is trying to find gifts for people. So I've been in that situation where I've struggled because I'm like, I don't know what to get, or I've set myself a budget maybe for certain people, and I'm like, I literally cannot find something within that budget. Like, I feel like, you know, all of this, there's something in here that you will find for someone. And there's something you'll find hopefully within your budget. You know, even if you're looking for something which, you know, maybe you have spent a little bit extra on, but you don't want it to look like you've spent so much on, you've got that option. You've got things which are kind of like a lot cheaper but look like you've spent more on it. So I think that's a great situation to have, you know, like where it kind of ticks every box for you. So I really do hope this has helped, and I really do hope that you know, managed to find something within here and you like the products that I tried earlier on too. Now, wherever you are in the world, as usual, I hope you do have the most blessed day and it's super productive and super positive. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. Until the next video, take care and I'll see you soon.